Good day, Ingrid and Gwendolyn. How's everything? This is another agreement that this is an agreement. Sorry, I was telling you about that I want to send to the prospective buyers. This is to start the process on their side, and also to also do a draft drawing to see, just to make sure everything will fit correctly and stuff like that with the land. So this is the draft. So basically I will have them pay 1,500 as an advance payment, refundable advance payment, and then with that money I will use to pay for the appraisal and different things, and the points and different aspects for the project to move forward. So let me know. So I'm sending it to you. Let me know if you have any questions, and then I could cover it. I'm going to sign the agreement. The first one that you had, the signature notarized, I'm going to sign it and send it to you.